Are you tired of eggs cluttering your fridge? Do you wish for a cleaner, more organized space? Introducing the automatic rolling down egg holder from SPERINGEEN. A simple, smart, and stylish solution for every kitchen. This isn't just another egg tray. It's a game changer for how you store and use eggs every single day. Imagine this. You open your fridge, and instead of messy cartons, you see a sleek, space-saving egg holder. It can hold up to 56 large eggs at once. Yes, that's 4.5 dozen, ready to grab at any time. And the best part? It has an automatic rolling design. As you take one egg, the next one smoothly rolls forward. No more reaching into the back, no more mess. Simple, convenient, and always ready. That's the beauty of this design. And don't worry about durability. It's made from high-quality, sturdy plastic that's built to last, easy to clean, easy to refill. And because of its slim rectangular shape, it saves precious fridge space. Perfect for families who love eggs. Perfect for anyone who needs more order in their kitchen. One customer, Jennifer, says, "This helps organize the refrigerator perfectly. So easy to use and restock." Anna adds, "It's sturdy, efficient, and ready to use right out of the box. A total game changer." And Faith calls it an extraordinary dispenser. Compact, easy to fill, and super sturdy. People who raise backyard chickens love it too. They say it handles everything from small eggs to extra large ones with no cracks. That's because the gentle slope keeps eggs rolling smoothly. No smacking, no breaking, just easy access every time. Whether you keep it in your fridge, on the counter, or even in a cupboard, this egg holder fits right in. It's not only practical, it's also a thoughtful gift for friends or family who cook often. Imagine giving someone the gift of organization, a gift that actually makes their daily life easier. And let's be honest, eggs are a daily staple. Why not store them in the smartest way possible? No lids to fumble with, no cartons collapsing, just a clean, efficient rolling system. Take one egg and the next slides into place. It feels satisfying, and it looks amazing in your fridge. If you've been searching for a way to save space, this is it. If you've been searching for a way to keep eggs safe, this is it. If you've been searching for a product that really works, this is it. Don't wait until the deal is gone. Right now, it's available at a limited time price. But remember, prices can change anytime. And the discount may not last. So click the link in the description below. Get your automatic rolling down egg holder today. Transform your fridge, simplify your kitchen, and enjoy fresh eggs, always within easy reach. Because sometimes the simplest solutions are the ones that make the biggest difference. Click the affiliate link in the description to check today's price and grab your set now. Don't miss it. This offer may end soon.